I formally welcome you to the initial part of our career preview where you can potentially grow your financial goals. Excited ka na bang malaman kung sino at kung anong meron kay PruLife UK? Now, let me share with you ano bang meron kay PruLife UK. Now, so before I begin, I would like to introduce to you some of the background na meron tayo dito kay PruLife UK. PruLife UK is a Philippine subsidiary of Prudential PLC headquarters at the United Kingdom. It was established in 1996 and has consistently ranked among the top 5 industry players since 2001. PruLife UK also pioneered the investment-linked insurance products, which changed the landscape of the Philippine life insurance industry. Yes, tama po kayo ng narinig. Si PruLife UK po ang nagdala dito sa Pilipinas ng insurance na may kasamang investment. Ano pa bang meron kay PruLife? While PruLife UK has the biggest agency force with over 40,000 members in the Philippines, we are also at the 4th ranked one in the ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard. At ang pinaka-favorite milestone po ni PruLife UK, being the #1 life insurance company in the Philippines since 2020, 2021, and 2023. And of course, not only that, no, we are also recognized as the #1 life insurance company in the Philippines based on Q1 report for year 2024. O, di ba? Ngayong may background na po kayo kay PruLife UK, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano ba natin mamamaximize yung career opportunity na meron tayo kay PruLife UK. Now, I would like to introduce myself first. No? Ako po si Beatrice Santos, your trusted financial advisor and a unit manager under Platinum Branch of PruLife UK. So for today's career preview, I'll be answering the most common questions when it comes to starting out a career as a financial advisor or sa mas kilala as insurance agent. Alright? So, first question. Ayan, Miss Bea, required ba no, na kapag pumasok ako sa insurance industry or as a full-time agent, required ba na full-time agad ako? Kasi may mga nakakita ako doon, parang pag nagpo-post sila, parang full-time sila eh. No? So, the first question dito na nakalagay, required ba na full-time? And then the answer is actually no. No, you can actually start as a part-timer and then later on, when you see yourself doing this career as a full-time, then you can jump full-time. All right, next question. Required bang may background sa sales or finance before joining? Yan. So honestly, yung background sa sales or finance is just an advantage since we are talking about handling finances and investments sa mga trainings, no? But in case that you're not coming from that industry or in that field, pwedeng-pwede ka pa rin naman no, sa career na to because we had a lot of trainings no, na available for all of us. In fact, may mga team members din tayo no, who came from different industries na talagang sobrang layo no, pagdating sa finance. May mga kasama tayo no, na dating seafarers, mga nanggaling sa food industries, teachers, engineers, doctors, nurse, ano pa ba? No, attorney, even attorney. So name it, we have it, no? And ito yung mga talagang masasabi natin na hindi mo kailangan ng background when it comes to sales and insurance kasi mapag-aaralan naman. Alright? Third question, ayan. So Miss Vea, how much time should I devote dito sa career na to or sa business na meron kay PruLife UK? Okay, so it really depends sa sipag mo. It depends on kung paano or kung gaano kahaba yung oras na gusto mong ilagay or ibigay dito. Some spent 4 to 5 hours, no? Ginagawa nilang part-time. Yung iba naman 2 to 3 hours per day lang. So it will vary din kung ano yung availability mo because wala namang time in and time out dito. No? But of course, if you put in more effort or time dito sa business natin, then eventually you'll have more clients and you'd be getting more perks from the company mismo. Okay? So, fourth question, ayan, ito yung mga common na tanong sa atin, no, Miss Vea, magkano ba yung pwede kong kitain? Okay? So parang halos same sa sagot ko sa number 3, no, na question. It really depends on the amount of time and effort that you would put in. But since we are in sales industry, this is a commission-based type of job. Therefore, we have unlimited income potential. So if you are aiming for or dreaming, no, about having a six-digit income, then definitely that's very possible, no? But to give a rough estimation for a part-timer who can only give a few hours of their day, probably around 15,000 to 50,000 monthly income. Pero, ayan na, yan, pag bibigay mo talaga yung best and yung mag-aalat ka talaga ng oras dito sa business na to, six-digit income is highly possible. Alright? Next question, ayan. Miss Bea, hindi kasi ako magaling magsalita. Wala akong masyadong kilala or wala akong background sa insurance, investment. Ang tanong ng lahat, kaya ko ba? No? Well, I believe na kapag may gusto kang gawin o mangyari talaga sa sarili mo, you will do everything to achieve that. Pag-aaralan mo talaga kung paano. Di ba yung iba nagbabayad pa nga ng seminars, no, para lang matuto? Or even sa mga business franchises na ginagawa natin, di ba, you need to invest hundreds, thousands, and millions pa to put up a business. So, anong gagawin mo para sure na may ROI ka or return of investment ka? So, di ba mag-e-effort ka para pag-aralan yung business market mo? However, the difference kasi dito sa company natin, we have a lot of tools and trainings available all for free. No, yes, for free, wala po kayong babayaran. Atinan mo na lang, libre lahat. Okay? So it's up to you kung anong effort nga ang ibibigay mo dito for you to learn your business because the materials, the resources are there, oras mo na lang at lisensya mo lang ang puhunan mo dito. Alright? So ano pa bang meron? Ayan, the next common question na natatanggap ko, maganda daw bang gawing career ang pagiging financial advisor? No? So my answer is definitely yes. No? Yes na yes yan, mga mamshi, no? Mga beshi na nakikinig sa akin. And para mas maintindihan mo why I said yes, I have 5 P's to tell you why. Kung bakit nga ba yes ang sagot ko. Number one is purpose. Being in industry for 4 years, no, I was able to witness different major claims and especially for critical illnesses and untimely deaths. I have also witnessed in our branch, no, a claim for a death benefit during COVID-19. Imagine being able to deliver millions to the family para lang sa premium na 1.5 per month. No, same with our critical illnesses claims. We have a 31-year-old female client na na-diagnosed ng breast cancer. And we were also able to deliver almost 1 million claim no, para sa 10-month-old na policy niya. But in my case, no, I am very happy kasi most of my clients are healthy naman and when they apply, kaya yung advantage ba no, ng pagiging healthy nila and mga bata pa nung kumuha sila, is very much applicable, no? Talagang napadali yung buhay. Especially sa mga clients ko na kahit healthy sila, napapakinabangan pa rin nila yung plan nila because when they need an extra fund for emergency use or even planning to capitalize a small business, my clients were able to partially withdraw some funds of their investment. No? So imagine yung impact na pwede mo palang ibigay sa buhay ng client mo to manage the risk no if something happens sa kanilang life. All right? So this is how we are making sure that we as financial advisors deliver our promise and of course our purpose. All right? So second P ko naman is of course the pay. Now, so as a financial advisor, we don't have fixed salary kagaya ng na-mention ko kanina. We are commission based. So kumbaga, it will depend on how much work you're gonna put in it, no? So in this career, you'll have an unlimited income potential. Alright, so sa third pick ko naman is one of my most favorite, of course, is the places. So kung FB friends tayo or kung na-stalk mo na ako sa FB, my favorite places to go is to travel talaga anywhere. No? And because aside from the fact na talagang I love traveling, sino ba naman ang may ayaw na mag-travel around the world for free? 'Di ba? So, makuwento ko lang 'no, nakaka 2 years pa lang ako sa career na 'to dito kay Pru 'no, when I got to travel my dream country which was in Japan 'no. So, imaginein mo that time part-time pa lang ako and, bukod sa Japan of course I also traveled to Europe 'no, yung Europe tour na hindi ko makakalimutan kasi dati yung Paris 'no, sa wallpaper ko lang siya nalalagay pero who can imagine na mapupuntahan ko siya all for free because of True Life UK. Aside from that, nagpunta rin kami sa Switzerland na dati sa K-drama ko lang napapanood, no? Belgium and Amsterdam na who would have thought na yung Europe trip na yon would be an amazing and may most memorable travel no na binigay sa akin ni True Life UK. Alright? So aside from the perks on, no, the benefits na binibigay sa amin ng trabahong to, ng career na to, we decided to pursue this career because of the people. Ayan. Masasabi ko talaga na ang ganda ng working environment. As in, chill lang. No? And a lot of them really want you to succeed. Kasi dito kay True Life, sa career na to actually, hindi mo kailangan tayin na umalis yung upper head mo no, bago ka ma-promote. Kasi dito kay True, yung sipag mo, talagang mas madali kang mapopromote. Alright? So aside from that, syempre bukod sa mga makakasama mo, working environment, natutulungan ka pa of course kapag kumakausap ka din ng mga clients mo. No, they came from a different walks of life and backgrounds that you can learn from them even things beyond insurance and investment. Yung iba pa nga doon, naging ninang ako sa kasal, naging ninang ako ng anak nila. No? So talagang mabibigyan mo ng purpose yung sarili mo dito sa trabahong ginagawa mo and you'll get able to meet different people. Ayan. So aside from that, ano pa ba ang nagustuhan ko at nasabi kong bakit maganda ang career na to? Lastly is yung priorities. Ayan. So in this career, you can do things that you want to do kasi hindi ka nakabox sa 8 to 5 timeline na job na meron ka. No? So kaya dito mas hawak mo yung oras mo and in my case, I get to work anytime and anywhere kahit nagta-travel ako around the Philippines, no? Hawak ko yung oras ko. So I have the luxury of time and flexibility of time para magawa ko yung pleasure time ko and at the same time yung trabaho ko. And most importantly na talagang na-treasure ko is of course yung kasama ko pa yung family ko. So ganun din yung mga mommies na kasama ko dito sa industry na to, no? They have a luxury of time being a full-time mom nang hindi nagsasuffer yung career goals na meron sila so that we can make our family a priority. All right. So now that you had a glimpse of on some of the common questions about being a financial advisor, the next underrated question is, Miss Vea, ano ba talaga ang ginagawa ng isang financial advisor? So some of you might think that financial advisor as a career is just more of sales, no? Ay, benta-benta lang yan, no? But what most people don't know is that ano ba ang ginagawa talaga ng isang financial advisor. So here's to what we do. No? So meron ka bang kakilala na breadwinner? Yung tipong siya lang talaga yung inaasahan ng pamilya o di kaya naman a friend na nagpaplano pa lang na magsimula ng sariling pamilya. Pero kahit pa paano, gusto rin nilang magkaroon ng sariling ipon para sa bubuin nilang pamilya. And then, ito na yun. Ito yung career na meron tayo. Because we are here to help people get the most out of their life. We help people to end the sandwich generation. That's one, no, na isa sa mga ginagawa natin. Second is, we build strong foundation to secure our children's future. So, meron ka bang kakilala na may mga anak na? Or nagpaplano pa lang na magkaroon ng sariling anak? So we as financial advisor help these parents to build financial stability as early as now for them to be able to provide for their child's future needs. Ano pang ginagawa ng isang financial advisor? Meron ka bang kakilala na nasa tingin mo kahit papano naman may kaya sa buhay? Yung tipong average ang income pero hindi masyadong prepared ang emergency fund. Yung tipong kapag dumapo si critical illness or any sicknesses, no? Si accident, si dengue, si disability, eh wala pang funds na naka-ready para sa hospitalization. Or even kaya, no, baka may kakilala ka na meron namang kaya talaga sa buhay. Yung tipong kahit mayaman, na kapag dinapuan ng sakit or critical illness, eh pwede rin namang ma-wipe out ng ganong kadali lahat ng pinag-ipunan nila. Or baka naman may mga kakilala ka ring mga may businesses, pero hindi pa napaghahandaan yung iiwanan nilang pamana para sa pamilya. No? So dito, mas kailangan yung trabaho natin as financial advisors. We as financial advisor help them prepare, no, for estate planning, for passing their wealth generation, and so on. Our priority talaga is to foster the well-being of each and everyone in communities across the Philippines. That's why we are striving to help our country to be a financially secured Philippines kasi aminin naman natin that up to this day, marami pa rin Pilipino ang hindi insured at hindi alam ang value ng ino-offer natin sa kanila. And lastly, while we continue to invest in the power of unity na magkaroon tayo ng financially secured Philippines, we as financial advisor must do our part to help young individuals to have a comfortable lifestyle in their retirement. Sino ba naman ang may ayaw nun, di ba? Lalo na kapag para sa next generation natin. Yung tipong magre-retire ka hindi dahil mahina yung katawan mo or hindi mo na kaya magtrabaho, but you retire early and comfortably kasi gusto mo namang ma-enjoy ng maaga ang pinagpaguran mo habang malakas ka pa. So, ang tanong, mahirap ba maging isang FA or madali ba ang pagiging financial advisor? Well, hindi ko siya i-sugarcoat. Kasi wala naman po talagang madaling trabaho sa umpisa, di ba? Ideally because number one, wala naman po tayong BS in insurance, BS in investments, and actually ang majority na pumapasok dito talagang wala namang sales background. But the advantage is we have a lot of trainings available dito po sa atin. And lahat po yan ay libre pa. And mas pinadali pa actually dahil via Zoom at very accessible, no? Most of the time yung mga trainings natin at the tip of your finger thumb na lang talaga eh, di ba? Ng tipong kahit sa cellphone, kahit sa ang lupalop ka ng Pilipinas, kahit nasa bahay ka, nasa bus ka, nagko-commute, nasa office during your break time, you can have a great access sa mga trainings natin. Ano pa ba? Second is I believe that you have the power to choose your heart. Diba? Kasi sa case ko, kung nahirapan ako before sa trabaho ko, of course nahirapan din ako dito nung umpisa. But I chose my heart. No, I chose this career because alam ko na yung trabaho na pipiliin ko, na kahit mahirap siya, it would allow me to work with the people I want to work with. It would also allow me to have an income na deserve ko. Na yung tipong alam kong kapag pinagpaguran ko, may katumbas bawat effort na ginagawa ko. No? And alam ko yung trabaho na meron akong full control of my time. And aside from that, of course, sa mga nabanggit natin kanina sa kung ano ba talaga ang ginagawa ng isang financial advisor, this job allows me to have a sense of fulfillment kasi dito ko nakita yung impact ng trabahong ginagawa ko. Because I get to have an impact and also to help a lot of people by just helping them na maintindihan ano ba yung value ng ino-offer natin. No? So, if nasagot ko lahat po no, ng tanong sa isip mo at gusto mong subukan, then do it. Kasi wala naman mawawala kung hindi mo susubukan at lalong-lalong hindi mo malalaman kung para sa'yo to kung hindi mo uumpisahan. Alright? So with that, before I end this, I am glad that I'm able to share this career opportunity with you and I hope na makasama pa kita sa mga susunod na travel ko with ProLife UK. So if you have questions, feel free to send us a message. Have a nice day.